little feet to get me across the mountain, 2 little feet to carry me away into the woods, 2 little feet, like a mountain in the cloud coming down, cloud coming down, cloud coming down, cloud coming down. I hear the voice of the ancient ones chanting magic words from a different time. Well, there is no time, there is only this rain. There is no time, that's why I missed my plane. John Muir walked away into the mountains in his old overcoat, a crust of bread in his pocket. We have no knowledge, and so we have stuff with no knowledge.
This Wesser Bald Tower, it's not so much bald anymore, it's all grown up back up over the years. But anyway, I'm down to the shelter for camp. Beautiful day. Thunderstorms popping off, you know, all around these ridges, calling for some pretty crappy weather for the rest of the afternoon into tonight, but it'll be all right. Temperatures are perfect. Keep on plugging.
Tumble us like scree, let us holler out our freedom like a wolf across the valley, like a kid lost in a game. No time, no name. Gonna miss that plane again. I got 2 little feet to get me across the mountain, 2 little feet to carry me away into the woods, 2 little feet, a bigger mountain than a cloud coming down, 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 2 little feet. Big mountain, 2 little feet, a big mountain, 2 little feet.